Welcome to Koh Samui, Thailand, our home for the next 30 days.
We made it to Koh Samui, finally. Not another plane for 1 month, please. The flight was actually just 1 hour. I'm so excited to see everything, but mostly excited to sleep right now. The airport is so cute. Look, it's just one tiny little baggage drop. We just got to the Airbnb here in Koh Samui and it looks super nice. Don't get distracted by this ecstasy blanket. We're gonna remove that. On the pictures, the apartment looks a little bit nicer than it is. Or the apartment.
So usually on Airbnb, people suck at taking pictures of their apartments. You show up and it's usually nicer than the pictures because they don't know how to take pictures.
Exactly.
These people are the opposite. They took really nice pictures of their apartment.
Like, I was blown away when I saw these pictures. I'm like, okay.
They got a professional.
Yeah,
they did a professional job.
Yeah, a little too good.
No, I mean, it looks smaller to me, and that's it.
Yeah, I am excited. We're gonna stay here for a month. So, see you tomorrow.
Our apartment was located on the top of a hill, so the view from our bed was beautiful. Honestly, the best way to wake up.
You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven.
Balconies are a luxury in New York, so eating breakfast on this large terrace was one of my favorite things about this apartment. We rented scooters so we could get around easily and buy fresh bread every day. This French bakery became a favorite for us, and it was just a 5-minute scooter ride away.
Reminiscing about the time when we first met. Little by little, you wear me down.
Our apartment complex was called Chowing Modern Villas. The property had a cute pool, and since it was off-season, we had it to ourselves the whole time.
Little by little, you wear me down.
Wine and homemade dinner served outside under the moonlight quickly became our favorite way to end our days here.
When we first met, a simple text.
Now, are you ready for a closer look? Follow me along for the full house tour.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm really excited. I'm gonna bring you guys along and I'm gonna show you our house tour. Literally all this is just where we walk into our apartment. We park our scooters there. So now I'm gonna bring you up and I'm gonna show you our apartment. Are you ready? Go. This is basically where we just drop our motorbike helmets. I'm forcing everyone to wear a helmet because even though the boys are sweating and they're saying it's hot, safety first. Kitchen, living room. Okay, so this is my little sister's bedroom. I'm gonna show you the wardrobe. Their wardrobe is a lot better than mine. I'm a little jealous on it. They have 2 huge shelves and then they have perfect wardrobe here. Now it's light out, but when it's dark, they actually have light under the bed. I'm not sure if I think that's cool or tacky. It was a little hard to find an apartment in Koh Samui with 2 bedrooms. There's a lot of nice places in Koh Samui with 1 bedroom and sleeping couch in the living room, but we're like, that's a little crazy since we're staying 1 month. So now we're both happy with 2 huge bedrooms. Let's go on to the next room.
The bathroom was small, but had everything we needed.
Okay, so this is our kitchen and I'm super happy with it. The only thing is that we don't have an oven, which sucks a little bit since we make a lot of our food at home. The thing about Thailand is it's super cheap to eat out, so everyone that comes here usually eats out all the time. John has been getting local food for like 50 baht, 90 baht, basically $1 every meal. But since I'm a vegan, gluten-free, all that, it's a little harder for me, so that's why I have to make a lot of the food at home. I've still been able to find a lot of gluten-free vegan places, and most Thai food they're able to make like pad thai vegan or fried rice vegan, whatever. Our super healthy fridge, you don't see the bear in the bottom, that's not there. Overall, this kitchen gives us everything we need. But yeah, let me show you the living room. I am happy about how it looks. It looks really cool and it's cool for pictures. This couch though is the most uncomfortable couch I had in my whole life. That's why me and Charlotte, we brought in the Swan. Every time we watch Netflix or whatever on the TV, we chill on the Swan because it's a lot better. Put it like this and drag this over. And then to get the head down, let's do this. What would you guys want to do? Would you be on an uncomfortable couch or would you chill on a Swan? Leave it in the comments below and let me know where you would want to chill with me. On the Swan or in the couch? I choose the Swan. Oh, and I'm going to show you our balcony. Look at that view. We have a big balcony upstairs, so I'm going to show you, but here we can have dinner, all of us. We can tan. We haven't been tanning though because it's way too hot, so we need to be down by the pool. But yeah, so nice, right? Let me show you me and John's master bedroom. You have to be really careful when you walk up these stairs. If you fall down here, you die. I'm going to show you our bed. It's right on the edge. It's actually really scary. It's actually a little exhausting walking up all those stairs, but it gives me a good butt. So that's a good workout. That's my only workout here in Thailand. What do people even use this one for? It looks like a curtain hanger. Obviously, I'm not using this one, or this one. I had to use it in Guatemala and in Tulum even at night because it was cold. Most of my clothes are actually in the suitcases. Anyway, here's just my sunglasses, my clothes that I use all the time, every day. My cream that I use for all our bites, like, it's so bad. Like here, Here. It's actually not that many mosquitoes here as it was in Tulum. In Tulum it was a lot worse. So this is where I go out every morning, check if the weather is nice, if it's cold or warm. It's usually warm every day. Look at our huge balcony. I sit here and I have this table here and then I eat my kiwi like this with this view.
What is happening?
You're supposed to take a picture.
This is the behind the scenes. This is where the magic happens in Koh Samui. By the way, this bed is rock hard. You like it, right?
Yeah. The pillows are really, really tough.
You can kill a person with that pillow.
Yeah, if you threw this out the window, you'd hurt somebody downstairs.
That's why you want to see the pillow I bought. So my pillow now is this baby pillow. I can lay perfectly on it. It's a little small, but it works. So yeah, that's our house tour. And I really hope you liked it. And I will link the Airbnb link down below. So if you want to stay here, you can. That's it from our house tour today. The sun is almost going down. Me and John are gonna go get some local food, or he is gonna get some local food. I'm gonna come with him, film it, so I can show you guys where to get the cheapest food in Koh Samui. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Wait, but one last time, check out this view. This is like the world's best office, home office. Sometimes I just stop working and just stare out into the space. It's really nice.
Bye.
So that's it, my first episode from Koh Samui. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to press that like button and leave a comment. Next Sunday, I'll bring you guys along when we visit the elephant sanctuary. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.